Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use effects in Instagram Reels. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Instagram application and log in your account, and then you need to click on the plus icon in the top right and click on Reel, and then you need to click on effects, and here you can find different effects that you can use in your video. So I'm going to use a second one, so you can see that this effect, and if you want you can add effects in your favorite section also, and you can find different plenty effects here that you can use according to your choice. So you can see that the effect that I selected, okay, which can I use according to my video, and you will find different effects that you like and you can use that effects in your Instagram Reels. So by following these steps you can easily use effects in Instagram Reels. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.